Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In the last videos, you have studied chapter 8 Haryali Teej. I hope you have understood the chapter and you also celebrated Haryali Teej and know about the festival. Now, let's start the next lesson. It is a poem, Do Your Best. Name of the poem is Do Your Best. You have to listen the pronunciations carefully. Let's start the poem. Firstly, we'll do reading and pronounce the words, and we will learn how to sing this poem. Now, let's start. Do your best, your very best, and do it every day. Little boys and little girls, that is the wisest way. Whatever work comes to your hand at home or at your school, do your best with right goodwill. It is a golden rule. For the who always does his best, his best will better grow. But he who shrieks or slides his dust, let all the better go. What if your lesson should be hard? You need not yield to sorrow. For he who bravely works today, his tasks grow bright tomorrow. This is the way how to sing the song or the poem. You also have to sing this poem. Now let us learn the meanings and what is said in the poem. Let's start. Do your best, your very best, and do it every day. As I told you, what does best mean? Best mean you're very good. सबसे अच्छा, आप अपना सबसे जितना अच्छा कर सकते हैं उतना अच्छा करें. Do is a verb. As I have told you in the previous Haryali Teej chapter also about verbs, nouns. So here do is a verb. It is a verb. You underline it and write verb V on it, so that you may learn verbs and nouns and pronouns also. Then your is a pronoun that we use in place of noun. I hope you know about pronouns. So your is a pronoun. Do your best, your very best. आपने अपना सबसे अच्छा, जितना आप कर सकते हैं उतना अच्छा करना है, बिल्कुल बहुत ही अच्छा अपना करना है. And do it every day. And is a connector, linker. In Haryali Teej chapter also, and was used many times in many phrases. And in that chapter also you were told about and. It is a linker. And do it. It is again a pronoun. It is again a pronoun which is used in place of work. It is used in place of work. It refers to here works. It refers to work. That the poet is saying, and do your work every day. What does every day mean? Every mean prati, हर. Day means दिन. तो यहाँ से आपका बनता है every day, प्रतिदिन. You have to do your best every day. Little boys and little girls. I hope you know the meaning of little boys and little girls. छोटे लड़के और छोटी लड़कियां. That is the wisest way. यही सबसे wisest way है, समझदारी वाला तरीका है आपका. क्या तरीका है यहाँ पर? Which wisest way has been talked about? We should do our best. And we should do our best every day. Now let's come to the second stanza of the poem. Whatever work comes to your hand at home or at your school. Whatever means जो कोई भी work. आप comes to your hand. Comes is again a verb. Come, came, come. Like do, did, done. Come, came, come. You have to also learn these verbs. You have to write it do, did, done. And come, came, come. You have to write it in your English notebook. Whatever work comes to your hand, whatever means जो कोई भी, work means काम, comes to your hand आपके हाथ में आता है, at home or at your school, at home or at your school, कहीं भी कोई काम जब आपके हाथ में आता है, do your best with right good will. It is a golden rule. You should do your best with right good will. Will means भावना, इच्छा, भाव, जो आपके अंदर भाव है वो अच्छे होने चाहिए कोई भी काम करते हुए. ये बुरे भाव नहीं होने चाहिए कि नहीं ये काम मुझे मेरे भाई को देना चाहिए था, ये काम मेरी बहन को करना चाहिए था लेकिन मुझे करना पड़ रहा है, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. should do every work You should do your best in every work with right good will, not bad will. It is the golden rule. एक सुनहरा नियम है. Rule means नियम. Golden means सुनहरा. It is a golden rule. I hope you have understood first and second stanza. Now let us come to third stanza. For the who always does his best. For the who always does his best will better grow. For the who, जो कोई भी, always does his best, हमेशा अपना सबसे अच्छा करता है, always does his best will better grow, और उसका जो बेस्ट है, उसको सबसे अच्छा, जितना अच्छा वो कर सकता है वो और ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव होता जाएगा. जैसे जैसे आप कोई आप गेम खेलते हैं, फुटबॉल खेलते हैं, अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो आपकी गेम और ज़्यादा अच्छी होती जाती है. उसी प्रकार से कोई भी काम है, अगर आप वो मन लगाकर गुड विल से करते हैं तो वो आपका धीरे धीरे ग्रो होता जाता है. यहाँ पर here grow is also a verb. Grow, grew, grown. These are the past, present past and past participle degrees. So you have to learn these and write in your notebook also. But he who shirks or slights his task, he मतलब जो मतलब वो बंदा, वो बच्चा, जो हूँ मतलब जो, श्रिक्स और स्लाइड्स, जो अपने काम से जी चुराता है. श्रिक्स का मतलब काम से जी चुराना, जो अपने काम से जी चुराता है. हिज टास्क मतलब काम से, जो बच्चा अपने काम से जी चुराता है. लेट्स ऑल बेटर गो, उसको भी अच्छा करना चाहिए अपना. चल ये यहाँ पर पोएट कहते हैं चलो हम सब अपना अच्छा करते हैं, हमें अपना बेस्ट देना है. वी हैव टू डू आवर बेस्ट. पोएट मोटिवेट्स अस, encourages us to do our best in every field of our life if we want to get success, if we want to be successful. Now let's come to the fourth stanza and the last stanza of this poem. I hope you have understood the three stanzas. What if your lessons should be hard? What, क्या हुआ? If your lesson should be hard, अगर आपके लेसन है वो हार्ड है, मुश्किल है, यू नीड नॉट यील्ड टू सोरो. यू नीड नॉट, आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है, सोरो दुख पालने की. यील्ड मतलब पालना, तो आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है दुख पालने की. फॉर ही हु ब्रेवली वर्क्स टुडे, फॉर ही उसके लिए, जो हु मतलब जो, ब्रेवली वर्क्स टुडे, टुडे आज, work is again a verb. For he who bravely works today. For he, उसके लिए. Who, जो. Bravely works today. Bravely मतलब bravely से, ताकत से, strongly. Works today. Work means काम. Works means काम करना. ये एक verb बन गया. Work noun है और works यहाँ पर work और work verb बन गया यहाँ पर works. और इसकी डिग्रीज क्या बनेंगी? वर्क, वर्कड, वर्कड, ईडी लगेगा आपका, WORKED, वर्कड. फॉर ही हु बेली वर्क्स टुडे. टुडे मीन्स आज. वो बंदा, वो बच्चा जो आज ब्रेवली ताकत से काम करता है. हिज टास्क ग्रो ब्राइट टुमारो. हिज टास्क, हिज मीन्स उसके, इट इज अ प्रोनाउन. हिज, her, I, me, my, you, your, we, our. These all are pronouns. It also, you have to learn these. His tasks. Tasks is, task means work. Task is a synonym of work. His tasks grow bright. Grow means उगना. उसके टास्क और ज्यादा ब्राइट, चमकना. उसके टास्क, उसके वर्क चमकने लगते हैं ज्यादा और ज्यादा बड़े होकर. जब वो वर्क्स बड़े होंगे धीरे धीरे चमकते हैं वो. ब्राइट मीन्स चमकना. टुमारो, कल. जैसे यहाँ here the opposite of today is tomorrow. You have also to learn the opposite words. You have also to learn rhyming words, like the words which produce the same sound are called rhyming words. So here the two words sorrow and tomorrow produce the same sound, therefore they are rhyming words. And opposite words are which are opposite to each other. Antonym you can say, today and tomorrow. These are antonyms, opposite words you can say. I hope you have understood the last stanza also and the whole poem. So let us, I will tell you the rhyming words of the whole poem and the rhyme scheme. What is the rhyme scheme of this poem? Now let us, firstly I will tell you the rhyming words. In the first stanza, the rhyming words are day and way. The same sound is produced. Day, way. Pronounce these words. Same sound is there. Day, way. In the second stanza, school, rule. School, rule. Same sound is there. Therefore, these are rhyming words. The third stanza, grow, go. Grow, go. O sound is produced. Therefore, these two are rhyming words. In the last stanza, sorrow, to are also the rhyming words. Now let us talk about the rhyming scheme. What's the rhyming scheme? The rhyming scheme is A, B, C, B. Now you can see in the second line of the stanza and the last line of the stanza, the last word are rhyming words. Last words are rhyming. Therefore, we use the same letter for these two lines and different letters for different rhyming. The words which are not rhyming words, the lines which don't have the rhyming words as the last words, we use different letter for them. Therefore, for first line we will use A, second line B, third line C, and fourth line again B, because it is a rhyming word of day. Because these two are rhyming words, day, way. In all the stanzas, the rhyming scheme is same, A, B, C, B. So I hope you have understood the whole chapter and will read it. You should yourself complete the exercise. After reading the chapter, you yourself complete the exercise, and then in the next video I'll also discuss the exercise with you. I hope you understand the lesson. Thank you.